A slow trading platform can cost you money. But here's something many beginners don't know. It's not just the platform that determines execution speed. I explain why and rank the 7 fastest day trading platforms available globally. Why are some platforms faster? Your trading platform doesn't actually execute your orders. Your broker does. The fastest platforms are designed to reduce delays with features like direct market access, smart order routing, one-click trading, and highly optimized software. That's why professionals use different platforms than most beginners. MetaTrader 5 is popular because it's simple, free, and supported by hundreds of brokers. However, execution speed depends almost entirely on the broker you've connected to, which is why it ranks 7th. TradingView offers excellent charts and an easy trading experience. While you can trade directly through supported brokers, it's designed more for convenience than ultra-fast execution. CTrader is built for active Forex traders. Features like quick trade, level 2 pricing, and a lightweight interface help traders place orders much faster than traditional retail platforms. Quanttower is a professional multi-asset platform. It supports direct market access to providers like Rhythmic and CQG, making it an excellent choice for active futures and stock traders. NinjaTrader was designed specially for futures trading. Its super DOM and one-click trading and optimized order management make it one of the fastest platforms for active day traders. Trader Workstation ranks second thanks to interactive brokers' smart routing technology, which automatically searches multiple exchanges to find the best available execution and price. Combined with its global infrastructure, it's one of the fastest platforms available. Thus Trader Pro takes the number one spot. It's built for professional stock day traders and offers direct market access, advanced hotkeys, ultra-light software, and lightning-fast order routing. When execution speed matters most, Thus Trader Pro is hard to beat. Which platform do you use for day trading? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.